Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to refer a friend on a Bet365. The first thing I want you to do is go to Bet365, make sure you logged in, and after that, once you log in, what I want you to do is come to the top right, click on your profile icon, and then here you'll see My Offers section. I want you to click on that, and then here you should actually see a code that you can go ahead and use to refer to your friends. And when they go ahead and sign up using that code, when they open an account, then they get their bonus and you get your referral. Okay, so let me show you what it will look like. So they'll come here to deposit, and when they're opening an account, all they need to do is enter all of their information right here, country of residence, first, last name, address details, things like that. Then once they scroll down here, they'll see the option for a bonus code. So they need to enter that bonus code here and then just join Bet365. And it's really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.